Nowadays, to use DOH website and many other government services, you need to have one thing that is called TAM account. Okay, TAMM TAM. A mobile app for this is also available, and you can access it through your web browser also. You can totally do everything through your web browser. There is no absolute need to install its app, but if you install its app, it will be easy for you. As you can see, when you open the app, it is showing sign in with UAE pass. So UAE pass is an application that is used in UAE nowadays, and if you have the account of UAE pass, you can get access through all of the government websites and services through this UAE pass app. Okay, first let me show you TAM web page. So if you don't have mobile application of TAM, go to any web browser of your choice and write www.tamm.abu dhabi. Then click next. It will show you the same uh, application. You can see at the top it is showing for better mobile experience, open it in TAM application. So you can use it in application or from your laptop or computer with this web address. Okay, now I will go to the uaepass and we will see how we can make an account on uaepass without any Emirates ID. First thing you have to do is to install UAE Pass app. It is already there in my mobile, but I will show you. Go to your Play Store or whatever you are using. If you are using iPhone, go to App Store. Right here, UAE Pass mobile app. Okay, it is already showing down. You can write it like this, UAE Pass. Okay, it will show you one icon like this is green icon with a fingerprint on it, and its name is UAE Pass Abu Dhabi Smart Government. And here it is written open because it is already installed in my mobile, but in your mobile, if it is not already there, it will show you as install and you will click that button and say we assume that you are now installing it. So after installation, it will show in your mobile like this. You can see the last icon, UAE Pass. This icon is a green icon with fingerprints, and you will click on it and this app will open. So when UAE Pass will open, it will ask about language preference for you, and I have choose the English. After that, it is going some introduction. You can go through it or you can skip it. Then get started. It is asking create account. I have an account. Okay, you will click create account. Here are terms and condition. Go through all these term conditions if you like, and at the end just check I have read the terms and condition and confirm. Here is the key point. Okay, all other thing even you can do it your own. Here it is showing citizen or resident. If you are citizen or resident, then it means you have Emirates ID card and you have to go through that Emirates ID card process. You have to select it. Here is visitor, non UAE government issued identity card or passport holders. You will click here and it is asking again GCC ID card. It is Gulf countries, Gulf Cooperation Council countries, and I will go to the passport. Okay, here it is asking scan now. If you have your passport with you, it's better to scan it. It will be best for you. But if you don't have, if you want to come to UAE, you should have your passport. But I am clicking on I don't have. Okay, even when you scan it, it will lead you to the next personal details. Here I am writing some name, Hashim Amla. Next, yeah, here it is the key point. It is asking you about mobile number. If you have UAE sim with you or any of your friend is living in UAE, best to enter their number here. Otherwise, many persons here in UAE have more than one UAE sims. So if they are using UAE pass on one sim, they can give you other. But you can click here, you can see 971, click on it, and it will give you the country choice. Okay, you can go to your choice of country, if you're from Pakistan, go to that and write your mobile number here. This is a fake number. If it resembles to some golden platinum number, accept my apologies. Okay, not com. So continue. No, it is showing that this is invalid number. If you will write your valid number, it will send a password to your mobile, and you have to enter the password, and you will be temporarily registered to UAE pass. Temporarily registration mean when you have to come to UAE, you again have to register it with your Emirates ID card. Okay, after this is the only key step. After that it will just ask about your personal details, and I hope you will not ask me about your personal details. So I'm pausing it here. Now I'm assuming that you have installed your uaepass, and you again here to TAMM application, or you are going to TAMM website. Click on sign in with uaepass. It is as that is already installed in my system. It is asking uaepass authentication. I just have to confirm it and enter my password. Otherwise, if you are using your cell phone, web page or laptop, it will ask you about your mobile number. You have to enter your given mobile number, and it will send you one link for verification for uaepass, and you can go through that uaepass. Okay, so this is the way you can access the TAMM website without an Emirates ID.